Hey, are you looking for a breakthrough definition? What is a breakthrough? My name is Jen Glidden. I live in Charlotte, North Carolina, and I am here to help regular people make an income online the easy way so that they can start living their life by design. So what is a breakthrough and how does a breakthrough happen? Well, a breakthrough is really a sudden or dramatic recognition of something new. Some people call it an aha moment. Some people will call it a paradigm shift. It's where you have a new piece of information, or maybe even information that you've heard before, but all of a sudden it just clicks in your mind. It clicks in your mind, and once it's done that, you can never go back to thinking the same way. You have new thoughts, new attitudes, new actions. Now, when I kept hearing about what's a breakthrough, you're going to have a breakthrough, I thought it sounded like such a huge event, like you could have one breakthrough and that would be it, right? Well, it turns out you can actually have many breakthroughs even in a day. It's all about personal development. It's all about keeping an open mind and really wanting to get yourself to the next level. So can you have a breakthrough today? Absolutely. You know, it's funny, I had a breakthrough when I realized that breakthroughs could happen to anyone at any time. I thought it was just going to be this big momentous event, and once I had this one breakthrough, my life would never be the same, right? Well, it turns out that I can have a couple breakthroughs in one day and then go for maybe a few days or a week or two and then have more breakthroughs or just one breakthrough. So breakthroughs can be happening in your life all the time, just taking you to that next step, the next step, the next step in living your life by design, a life of freedom, the life that you want to be living. How can you get breakthroughs happening? It can come from conversations with people who are encouraging you, inspiring you. It can come from listening to audios of some of the greats, you know, Jim Rohn, Zig Ziglar, Tony Robbins. There are a whole lot of people. In my company, we have inner circle audios that lift people up, inspire them, get them to the next level in their life and their business. And then also you can have breakthroughs by reading. You can even have breakthroughs when you're taking action. When you are taking something that you've learned and actually applying it, that can create a breakthrough for you. You know, a lot of people think that some things like marketing online, there are some things, they may have this obstacle in their mind about doing something, but when they actually do it, the obstacle just melts away, and that is a breakthrough moment. So the definition of a breakthrough is a little bit different for everyone, but really it's when just new thoughts, a new awareness comes into your mind of abilities that you have, or something that you can take action on, changing your mind about maybe something that happened in the past. A breakthrough is a mind shift. Once you've had that, you won't go back. So breakthroughs take you to the next level. They make your life better. And if this video was helpful to you to understand what is a breakthrough, then please like it, share it, leave me a comment. I'd really appreciate that. And I look forward to hearing about your breakthroughs. Take care.